the bookkeeping experts. Last week I was at the Intuit Connect convention in Las Vegas, and I would say that event was absolutely fantastic. Now, the most important thing is that there's so many things that we learn about what's coming next, and we want to share with you. If you're an accountant, today we're going to talk about what's going to happen with all the updates and the options we're going to have, which are absolutely amazing. You want to see this video all the way through. We're going to talk about several features, but did you know that QuickBooks Pro Advisor is going to go away? Yes, it's going to go away. But something else is coming up. Intuit University is coming up, and you're gonna actually continue learning, and it's gonna be improved from what you had before. Now, if you have an accounting firm and you had to purchase a different service to manage your staff, we're gonna go through what QuickBooks came up with as a solution. Now, of course, there are certain features that will no longer be free, but the basic features, if you don't want to upgrade, you still have the basic features, which is really fantastic. So we're going to talk about a lot of the, not just the looks of the new interface, but absolutely, we're going to talk about all the features that are going to come up with the new updates. So the name is Intuit Accountant Suite. And with the Intuit Accountant Suite, you're gonna have features like CRM, which we didn't have before. You'll be able to manage your team and so much more. So we're gonna talk about what's going on and how to convert that, because you already have the option. Now, there is the Intuit Pro Advisor, or just the Intuit Accountant, the new update, and then there's the Intuit Accountant Suite, which is the upgrade. Now, if you want to stay with the free version, like I said, you still have a lot of new features, and you want to do that, but with the upgrade to Suite, which I already did, you're gonna have much more. So you may be able to actually eliminate some of the third-party apps that you were using before. So regardless, let's dig in with what's going on. Now, I wanted to tell you, if you haven't been to the Intuit Connect convention in Las Vegas, I must tell you, it is absolutely amazing. It's 3,000 accountants in one place, and it was at the Aria. The food was fantastic, and I actually have a lot of dietary restrictions, and believe it or not, I had no issues whatsoever. They had all kinds of options, including vegan gluten-free burger. Usually it's either or, and I cannot have it, but those were both, and I was absolutely amazed. It tastes delicious. So the food was delicious. Being able to connect with other accountants, that was the best. It was absolutely amazing. So we exchanged contact with so many people from all over the country and all over the world, because Intuit is actually an international company. So I absolutely love that. It was 3 days packed with different things, and I was thrilled to be there. So if you haven't been to Intuit Connect this year, I would tell you, plan on going next year, because you can get so much information. I learned so much, and I am so excited to share all that information with you. So now we are going to share a screen. All right, so I already upgraded mine, but I'm going to show you where to upgrade. So the top right-hand side, on the top right-hand side gear menu, just go ahead and click there, and you're going to be able to upgrade. It's going to say, upgrade to new Intuit Accountant. There's the Core, and there's the Intuit Suite. So like I said, I am going with the Suite because it has more features, but you can start with just the Intuit Accountant Core, which is going to give you the same features that you had before with the Intuit Pro Advisor. All right, so Once you upgrade, it's going to ask you to sign up. Now, if you sign up for the suite, right now there is no charge. So you can kind of take it to a test drive and see if that fits your needs. But if you want just the core, you can go ahead and do it right away. So, and if you don't like it, you can always go back, okay? But I'll tell you, you don't want to go back. It is absolutely amazing. All right, so one of my favorite features it's the ability to use QuickBooks or for your firm as a CRM. So we'll now be able to actually send contracts. So if you go into Customer Hub, you're going to have overview, leads, customer estimates, and contracts. And so you will be able to download all your contracts here and send those contracts to your client so that they can sign it and send it back to you. So Intuit is going for a one-stop shop for accountants, not just for your customers, but for accountants as well. So I know that those CRM companies can be quite pricey. And of course, you know, QuickBooks does has the payment option, so can make the payment through QuickBooks, or your client can make an ACH payment or other form of payment as well. So absolutely love that. And you have the option also to send an email campaign to your clients, just like any other CRM. So this is definitely huge for me, and especially the fact that you can now add your contracts. Now, when you create your contracts, I haven't created yet, you can add your contracts in here, whatever way maybe you can have multiple contract, one for bookkeeping or CAS, right? Or one for your tax return clients. So anyhow, so pretty much multiple contracts here that you can send to your clients, and you can separate what is an estimate and what are just, you know, what are customers or leads and customers. I'm sorry, leads and customers. And you can also have estimate that turn into a contract. All right, so absolutely amazing. Love that. Now, that's not all. Everything that you had before, kind of like the free payroll, is still going to be there. And lending and all the banking and stuff like that. Everything is still going to be there, same thing as it was before. Okay, now sales and get paid. You're going to be able to manage everything. Like I said, it works like a CRM, so you can overview all your clients, see what invoices needs to be paid, all your sales transaction, payment links, recurring payments, and so on and so forth. Now, they are working in certain things still, okay? So there's not, everything is not set in stone and done yet. So that's why it's free right now for all these features. Because one of the things that they are working on the CRM is the option that you can do multiple payments or set up multiple payments. And for a lot of us, if you're doing cleanup for your clients, you may have 3-4 payments, one to get started, one in the middle, one towards the end, or even more, right? So you can do that with progressive invoice, but you cannot set up the auto pay just like in other software. So not ready for that yet, but it's coming up. Okay, so on the expense and bills here, it's pretty much the same what you had before. You can, you know, do the bill payments, mileage, contractors, 1099, everything you had before for your own firm, right? On the Pro Advisor or Intuit Accountant. Now it's Intuit or QuickBooks account. Now it's going to be Intuit Accountant with all those features. Okay, now under account, now keep in mind that everything here can be customized, and that's the one thing that QuickBooks is going for, to be able to fit the needs of different accounting firms. So you will be able to customize your favorite features, so you can go straight into there. On the accountant, you still have the the client overview, which is the overview of your firm, bank transaction, integration, receipts, reconcile, rules. So this is what you had before, right? And revenue recognition and so on and so forth. Now, the books close. Now, remember what we had before is, to manage your client books is now called books close, and it's coming with a lot more features than it had before, and this is to pretty much manage all your clients. I absolutely love it. I am excited about it. You can access from your clients, but it's kind of gonna show you. So obviously I just upgraded now, so this is the new look that's gonna happen. So we obviously certain features, like I said, there's no charge right now, but there will be charged in the future. Okay. So we're going to have the closed dashboard, customizable workflow, AI anomaly detection. I mean, this is absolutely amazing, by the way. The AI anomaly detection will actually show your clients that may have some kind of anomaly, so you can go straight there and see what's going on. Could be, an integration that is not doing well, or some errors with your team that they missed something and the numbers don't look right. So QuickBooks AI will now assist you in finding those anomaly. Okay, including like a negative account, either on the profit and loss or on the balance sheet that is not supposed to be negative, and so on, so forth. So auto update across each client's QuickBooks file, customize templates, and track progress and complete review process across clients. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing. We didn't have that before. So now you're going to have a screen showing you all your clients, okay, and all that there is to be done. So the workflow on each one of them, so you can see what your staff is doing currently. So absolutely amazing, and I am just thrilled with that. Under teams, you'll be able to see all your teams. Okay, now the Pro Advisor program is still there, and if you're certified, you're not going to lose your certification when you migrate, but you will be able to, once the new Intuit University is launched, you will be able to get other certifications as well. So, but none of your prior certifications will be lost. Everything is going to migrate into the new program. Okay, under teams, you'll be able to see all your team members, and then you can manage the training. This is absolutely amazing. I really like that. So you can track which of your team members have completed their training. You can assign training to them and make sure that they're certified or renewing their certification. So absolutely amazing. I really like that. And finally, clients, like we saw before, that is one of my favorite features, hands down. That is kind of like a CRM. So you are eliminating certain things that or certain software that you needed in order to do that. And one thing that I wanted to tell you, with AI and everything that is going on, QuickBooks is really putting a lot of effort and staying ahead of the game. Okay, and we are gonna be, or Intuit it's gonna be a one-stop shop. And as an accountant, our relationship with Intuit is gonna be even tighter, because now we have the option to have those services that we didn't have before to manage our firm. Okay, so if you spend a lot of money with other services, now you will have the option to get that right now. So, okay, now we're gonna do the Intuit books close on another video, but I wanted just to kind of give you an overview of what is available out there. and why you should be looking forward and to try it out right away. I would tell you, try it out right away. So you still have, of course, on the new interface, you still have the same thing you had before, your work task that you had before with the Pro Advisor program, your clients team. So it's just looking different, but everything is there, plus a whole lot more features. Like I said, it's now going to be that one-stop shop. Okay, so I am going to get back to you for now. So this was just a sample to show you how much is QuickBooks putting into making our accounting firm lives so much better. In the long run, the purpose is to make us more efficient so we can do a lot more with a lot less. We need to be able to leverage the new advent of AI that is changing the way we do things. Now, a lot of people ask, are accountants going to go away? Are they going to lose their job to AI? And the question is, and the answer to that is no. However, you do need to leverage that AI in order to continue to be successful. So I am so excited to share all that with you. We're going to continue talking about that. Subscribe to our channel. I want to bring you the most updated information there, and you don't know how much it helps. It helps a whole lot, so we can keep bringing all this content. And also, if you have anything that you'd like to share with us, if you try the new Intuit Accountant Suite or Intuit Accountant, and you want certain features that are still not available, how about you write down below? I promise you I'm going to do my best to take this as high as I can so we can get the necessary answers to you. And if you like this content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Be back next week and I'll have so much more to share with you. And until next time, keep on smiling.